model, 71 plate Iveco Daily 35C15 2.3 HDI factory crew cab tipper 49k miles 1 owner VAT included bargain. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 49,033. MOT, the 21st of October 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AE3481D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs perfect, absolute beauty of a Iveco Daily tipper, which starts and drives exactly as it should, absolute bargain with VAT included in the final price, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, tow bar, tipper in working order, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.